Hello guys! In the past week analysis, we reviewed vehicle deliveries from November 13th to 19th. Noteworthy fluctuations among models, particularly NIO ES 6 and Zeekr Impact, defined market shifts. All right, we have looked at the delivery numbers for the past week. This data is from November 13th to November 19th. Let's start with the delivery numbers for that week. In that week, the delivery of the new ES6 was 1189, which is 67 more than the previous week, but 461 less than the same time last month, resulting in a 27.9% decrease compared to the previous month. Okay, the delivery of the ET5 was 905, which is 7 less than last week, but 41 more than the same time last month, indicating a 4.7% increase compared to the previous month. Quite good. The ES8 delivered 371 vehicles, which is 3 less than the previous week, but 12 more than the same time last month, representing a 3% increase. Then we have the 777 124. There's not much to say about this. 124 vehicles were delivered, which is 4 more than last week, but 9 less than the same time last month, a 6% decrease. And then we have the EC6, which delivered 410 vehicles. This is 6 more than last week, but 109 less than the same time last month, indicating a 21% decrease compared to the previous month. Total SUV sales in general, we have 1599 compared to last week 1526, so there's a slight improvement. Now if we plot everything on a chart and analyze, it seems that the sales of the ES6 are bottoming out. Hopefully, they won't go any lower. We hope that they will stabilize at this level and increase. We might not go any lower because December is approaching, and that's the time when sales representatives will push for tax incentives. ET5 is not performing exceptionally well. ES6 has seen a multi-month downtrend since August. Since its launch, it has been losing momentum. It's a good car, but it's not getting the trendiness or hotness it should. Okay. The 777 is just coasting along. They have started promotions for it, but it's a very expensive vehicle. In my opinion, the ES8 is doing quite well. Now let's look at the competitors. First, we have the Zeekr 001. They've delivered 1170 units, which is 23 more than last week, but 665 less than the previous month. That's not much, just a 36% decrease. The main reason for this is the launch of the Zeekr 007. Some people prefer it because it has more advanced tech, including the 8295 chip. This indicates that, as you can say, 8295 chips are used in current vehicles that are selling, except for NIO. So it can be said from a perspective that NIO cars are a bit outdated, to some extent. Okay, the 8295 chip has 8 times more processing power than the 8155 chip. So some people might choose it. Using a smartphone analogy is not entirely accurate, but it's somewhat similar. Okay, next is the BMW i3 with 1204 deliveries. That's 141 more than last week, but 26 less than the previous month, meaning a 2% change. The iX3 has 621 deliveries, which is 5 more than last week and 52 more than the previous month, a 9% increase. BMW is doing well compared to the previous month. Now, let's go and plot on the chart so that everything is clear. What a big change! Zeekr, which used to be on top, is now in third place. BMW i3 is becoming a top-selling vehicle. It seems that all the promotions are helping. Then we have the ES6. And keep in mind, it's still quite good, though not at the top, but ES6 is still performing well. In my opinion, because new vehicles are still quite expensive. And still, there is a significant stigma among many people who say that electric vehicles are useless. I spoke with a driver, and his clear opinion was that EV are not as good as petrol cars. Many people think that as long as petrol cars exist, they will never buy an EV, and there will always be such people. So, it will take some time. All right, ET5 is new, BMW iX3 is okay. It's above EC6 and ES8. Okay, and it's not above ES to 6. So those are the details. And looking at the market share in general, NIO still holds a 50% market share, which is a significant part, and BMW has 30%, while Zeekr has 20%. People always argue. They want to see record high deliveries. It's very challenging to achieve such deliveries for this type of car. Perhaps if NIO had a car with a range of 200K, then it could truly become a volume mover, in my opinion. But an interesting thing we are seeing is that NIO vehicle deliveries have been declining overall since the end of October. Some say it's a seasonal decline, but many say it's due to FUD. Many people are saying that NIO is going bankrupt. There's a lot of FUD, and this is creating fear among some buyers, causing them to cancel their orders, which is completely baseless. They shouldn't do that. NIO is still building swap stations, which in my opinion is a right step. And I just hope that NIO provides more details with these partnership announcements, such as with Chang'an Motors. How many cars will they produce together? How many battery swap stations will they build together? Such things. And regarding the upcoming Mercedes deal, which people are already reporting on, according to NIO employees, saying that the deal is done, I just hope that they provide details not only on the new app, but also in investor relations, at an event, or on their investor relations website. When this event occurred, something happened in both Mercedes and Chinese news. Investor relations had not posted anything about it, which is quite strange because this is a significant event for NIO, and I believe they should address it. So I hope that when the time comes for Mercedes, they will post through investor relations. Everyone will receive an email, and it will be a fantastic email. People will be very happy when the Mercedes deal is confirmed. And in my opinion, 4 to 5 more car companies are in line, just waiting for the papers to be signed. And I think this confirms it. NIO employees are also saying that it has already happened. So it seems that we will soon officially see the news about Mercedes. We'll have to be a little patient, and I hope they can provide us with more details through investor relations news, so that more attention is drawn to it. All right, what are your thoughts on deliveries? Nothing special, not bad either. What do you guys think? The analysis highlights market changes, challenges for NIO EV, emerging partnerships, and the anticipation surrounding potential game-changing developments in electric vehicle trends and industry perceptions. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more stock predictions and market insights. Remember to turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Happy investing, and see you in the next video.